Drops tap glass in steady flow. Soft beats where warm gray skies glow. Each pulse lifts my quiet heart, sparks my soul with gentle art. Earth's wet scent drifts through the air, fills my lungs with joy to spare. Rain, you hum, you pull me close. Paint my smile where soft light grows. Your rhythm sways, your thunder calls. You lift my heart through every fall. Silver streams from clouds unfold, sing of warmth in stories told. Thunder hums, a far-off cheer, guides my dreams to linger here. Stone and grass scent rides the breeze, stirs my spirit, sets it free. Rain, you hum, you pull me close. Paint my smile where soft light grows. Your rhythm sways, your thunder calls. You lift my heart through every fall. Rain, you weave through tender skies. Your steady pulse makes spirits rise. Each drop, each hum, a joyful guide.